What are you doing? Hey, Natalie. What are you doing? Oh, good job. Put it all back. Awesome. Nice job. Wow. You make a mess, but you clean up better than your sister. I think. Oh, you're going to keep that one? What are you going to close the fridge? What are you doing? Oh, you came back. That's all I need is Jello all over the house. Natalie, you've got to close the fridge. No? Where are you going to go with your Jello?